Hey, hump day, hump day, hump day. This was good 6 miles. Time to get the base going, or I should say, add on to it. Really didn't lose much with my sporadic running, but yeah, it felt good. Felt relaxed, easy. Slight heat wave in the 30s, and the wind blowing from the south. So on the way out, I was good, getting pushed, and on the way back, a headwind, sometimes gusting on me. So, and kind of funny, I've done this run numerous times and didn't realize how there's an increase in elevation just because of the road I'm going up on the way back. So it's not the same going now and coming back. So, but it was a big loop. But yeah, felt good, felt really good. Nice to get out. All right, guys, take care, be safe.